Why do jellyfish sting? The secret behind their deadly touch. Have you ever wondered why jellyfish can sting you, even though they don't have teeth or claws? It's one of nature's most fascinating mysteries, and the answer will leave you amazed, and maybe a little cautious the next time you hit the beach. Jellyfish don't actually bite like animals with mouths. Their sting comes from the tentacles trailing beneath their bell-shaped bodies. These tentacles are armed with millions of tiny stinging cells, called cnidocytes. Imagine a microscopic dart, ready to launch at any moment. When something brushes against their tentacles, whether it's prey or an unsuspecting swimmer, these cells fire off, injecting venom faster than you can blink. But why does it hurt so much? Jellyfish venom contains proteins that attack your skin, nerves, and even your blood cells. That's why you feel that sharp, burning sensation, almost like a fire spreading across your skin. Some species, like the infamous box jellyfish, have venom so potent it can stop your heart within minutes. Thankfully, most jellyfish stings are harmless, though still incredibly painful. What's even more incredible is how jellyfish have been doing this for millions of years. They're one of the oldest creatures on Earth, and their stinging cells are a perfect survival tool. It's how they catch food and defend themselves. To them, you're not dinner, but their instinct doesn't know the difference. So, what should you do if you get stung? First, don't panic. Wash the area with salt water, not fresh water, as fresh water can make the stingers fire again. If you have vinegar, pour it over the sting. It helps neutralize the venom. And most importantly, stay calm and get medical help if the sting is severe. Jellyfish are a reminder of how incredible and unpredictable nature can be. From their elegant movements to their ancient origins, they're as mesmerizing as they are dangerous. What do you think? Have you ever been stung by a jellyfish? How did it feel? Share your story in the comments below. And if you enjoyed learning something new today, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell for more fascinating content. Stay curious, stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video.